G'day. Today, cybersecurity tip number 26. All right. Local administrator passwords, okay, or local administrator rights. Small businesses, once you are getting above about 5 people, you start encountering this thing where you can't, as a business owner, you can't be in control of everybody's systems at all times and maintain good control of it, right? Up until that point, you probably can keep a fairly good idea and there's good levels of trust within the organization. But as it gets bigger than that, you need to start putting in some policies in place. One of those things, and it's a key part of cybersecurity, is restricting administrator rights to the machine. Okay, so what that means is you shouldn't just let anybody and everybody install whatever they like on their machine at any time. Realistically, most people within an organization are doing a set role, set job with a set of applications. All right, now you can encounter problems when you have people able to just do whatever they want. Right? They'll download stuff off the internet, they'll try out free applications, and there's risks in that, not just from pure cybersecurity, but also from like intellectual property. All right, so if you're a marketing firm or a healthcare company and you've got confidential private information on there, and then you're putting your marketing list in the hands of a third-party provider that's giving you a free application of doing something for communications, read the SLAs on them, right? Because they may actually be saying that anything you put into their system, they can use and resell. If it's a free product, you're the product, okay? If you're not paying for it, somebody else is paying for those services that they're providing. So, how that links back into local administrator passwords, you get a couple of benefits. One, you've got good control over what's going on. Doesn't mean necessarily that you don't ever let them install stuff on there, but you have the preventing people from clicking on something and installing it unwittingly as well, right? And that's where malware can get and put on machines and trojans, and it can sit there for a long time, right? So any other component aside, the general rule is least amount of administrative rights that is necessary for them to do the job, i.e. just give them a user account, that's it. All right, that's my tip for today, and if you'd like to click there and subscribe, that'd be great. Otherwise, you can go back and look at some of the other videos. They should be in that link there. Cheers.